VEVOR sent me this screw and bolt extractor kit and asked me to give my opinion on it, make this short video. So let's check it out. So you're going to get a very generic owner's manual here. This covers all these different kits that they have pieced together. So they've got large ones, small ones, but they all deal with these similar kinds of extractor tools. So this one here takes off the nut that's stripped or a bolt head that's stripped. These other two are useful for drilling into that bolt or that screw and then boring into that as you're trying to loosen it. These are reverse threaded. They bore into the bolt to extract it. So the instructions are pretty generic. Here's the kit. It's got a really nice compact box that it comes in. And you've got, in this case here, this is solely focused on this style of reversing drill bits. So what you've got, you're going to want to drill a hole with your regular socket set, drill bit set into the top of the bolt that you're trying to extract, and then find the appropriate sized head here to drill into that. And they are marked, which is very, very handy here. So take a quick look here. See how it says 1/8 inch drill? This is sized specifically for that drill. So you drill a hole into the bolt of 1/8, and then you go at it with this guy. And this has got a 3/8 bit here, so you can get a nice size socket wrench on there with some leverage, and you're going to be able to pull that drill, that bolt that's stuck right out. They give you a couple adapters. This is the 3/8 to the 1/4 inch drive, so if you're using a small 1/4 inch drive, you can pull that out that way. And then they give you also the 1/2 inch. So this goes into here, and now you've got a 1/2 inch drive if you want to put a bigger socket on there. So it's really cool that they give you those adapters. So for this, you've got every size possible you can think of, from really big up to 7/8. That's a big one there. 7/8 all the way down to 1/8, and this is going to get the job done. So I hope that was helpful to learn a little bit more about this extractor kit. I hope this information has been useful to you, and as always, I hope you have a great day.